Hey there everyone, it's Adi, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to draw female anime eyes in 3 different ways. Hey, so I just want to kick this video off by saying that these are not the only 3 ways that you can draw female anime eyes. So basically, I'm going to show you how to emphasize 2 different aspects that are seen in female anime eyes. The aspect on one end is cuteness, and the aspect on the other end is smartness or wiseness. Now I'm gonna start by drawing some really cute anime eyes. So let me go ahead and draw 2 parallel lines to decide the length of the eye. Now I'm gonna keep the length of the cute eyes comparatively more bigger as compared to the other kind of eyes, because you will probably notice that cute girly eyes in anime usually have bigger sizes than other kinds of eyes. So we're gonna start by drawing the basic structure of the eye. I've talked about the basic structure of an eye in my previous video, how to draw anime eyes. Go check that out if you wanna learn a really nice technique to draw anime eyes however you want. So for this, we'll be using a circular structure. So go ahead and draw a circular type of structure, but with 2 really small edges, or I should say corner. Yeah, corner is a better word. So we're going to decide the corner of the eyes on this circle. So as you can see, the corners of the eyes are almost in the same line, and when you want to make it cute, you usually want to keep the outer corner of the eye below the inner corner of the eye. Again, this is a very important step, so make sure you've got this right. And then let's go and draw the iris of the eye. I'm choosing an oval shape for this eye because cute eyes usually have oval shaped iris, more or less. And so I'll be drawing the eyelashes now. Just keep the eyelashes thinner towards the inner corner of the eye and thicker towards the outer corner of the eye. And you'll have these eyelashes that are poking out of apart from the rest of the eyelashes. You're gonna mostly have to draw them when you draw girls. And you're gonna have to add a little bit on the bottom eyelash as well, and then just leave a small mark indicating the eyelid of the eye. And then coming to the details inside the iris, I'm going to draw an oval pupil in there and add some highlights. So now I'm going to go ahead and draw the other eye. Now, if you're not comfortable with drawing anime eyes yet, I would suggest that don't draw the other eye now. I will explain how to draw both the eyes in line with each other and symmetry and all that in another video. I'm just going to go ahead and ink it. If inking's not your thing, just don't draw shabby like me. Draw very nice lines with a pencil, nice curves, without going back and forth, and you'll be fine. Now moving on to the next kind of eye. This is of course going to be less cuter and it's going to look more smart, or should I say mature. So again, I'm drawing 2 lines, and this time the length of the eye is going to be far less because the curvature on the outline of the eye reduces this time. So now you can go ahead and draw the basic structure of the eye. When it gets sharper and sharper, I like to think of leaves when I'm drawing the anime eye, because the shape of it looks quite similar. I don't know if it's just me, but then I just like picturing a leaf in my mind whenever I draw anime eyes. So the lines on this eye are going to be far less curvier than the previous eye, and the corners are going to be more sharper. So when I say cute or mature or smart, I just mean it straight from the looks and not the personality. So if you're creating a character and you think that character's personality is cute, you need not always use the cute eyes. You can still go with the mature or smart eyes and still let your character have a cute personality. And this time around, I'm going with a round iris and then adding the highlights and the pupil. And then we're doing the eyelashes again. This time, the eyelashes that are going to be poking out are going to be a little bigger than the eyelashes that we drew for the cute anime eye. And then draw the eyelid. Yeah, I'm done inking this. So, as you probably already guessed, the next eye is going to look much more smart and mature, which means the eye will look longer horizontally and the corners will be sharper and the eyelashes will poke out more. So while I'm just drawing this, I want to give you an extra tip for drawing curves. Now when you draw curves, you need to keep your lines very loose, and also it means that you have to draw the curve in one stroke. So the best way to draw stuff like that is to keep your hand away from the nib of the pencil, meaning hold the pencil far away from the nib. This way you'll get more flow in your lines, and when you do want control and are doing details, you're going to have to hold the pencil closer to the nib. That's just something you need to keep in mind, and it'll be useful everywhere when it comes to drawing. Okay, so back to the eyes. I'm drawing the iris right now. Notice how I'm drawing half of the iris. You usually do this when you want the character to have a serious look in their eyes. The more you cover it with the upper eyelid, the more serious the eye looks. So when you want to draw angry or sad or emotional kind of eyes, you're going to have to apply this. And the opposite applies for more younger characters. For younger characters who are always happy, you want to keep the iris as much as uncovered as possible. Now let me go ahead and ink these and color them all up. Now, if you find it difficult to remember all these characteristics, you can just keep three things in mind. I mean the three basic structures of these eyes, starting with the circle and then the leaf and then the parallelogram. If you keep these in mind, I think it'll be very easy for you. So I hope you got a lot of value from this video, and thank you for all the support you guys have been giving us from different social media. We really appreciate it, and stay tuned for future videos that are coming.